Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a project pan update to share with you, and I'm pretty happy with some of the progress I made. We're just going to jump right in. First off, we're going to start right off with this Rimmel brow highlighter. There's been absolutely no progress with this pencil. I forgot it was in the project pan. It fell to the bottom of the box. LA Colors Glam Lip Mask. I have made some big progress on this. Can now see the bottom of the jar, and it is cleaned out in the middle there. I'm working on the edges, so made decent progress with that. The Cherry Cherie Nude Liquid Lipstick is almost done. I'm scraping the sides for product, so I am pretty happy with that progress. Next lip product up I want to talk about is the LA Colors Pout Potion. I'm taking this out of the project pan. I don't like this formula. I don't like that it tints your lips. I'm not crazy about pink lips. I'm not a fan, so I'm taking this out of project pan. The Wet n Wild Breakup Eyeliner. Quite a bit still left, but I use this every time I do my makeup, so surely but slowly. The Ione Venus Perfect Brow Mini Kit. The main focus is going to be the brow highlight in this shade here. This is a little too red for my brows personally, so I started using in this one, which is a better match. So these two are the pans we're working on. When that is done, I'm decluttering this completely. I cannot use these in my brows. And we made big progress on the brow highlighter. It was absolutely full. I'd only used it once or twice prior to putting it in project pan, and we had pan already. Granted, these are small pans, but that is still some nice progress. The NYX Single Eyeshadow in Pure Skin. I'm pretty sure that I've made some progress there. Definitely a bigger spot in the center there, so I'm happy with that. I love this as a highlighter. Let's get these sprays out of the way. Hard Candy Hydrating Primer Mist, and I use this to wet eyeshadows for the lid and the inner corner highlight. Here is our progress mark. I've been using a lot of Beauty Bay lately, so I haven't been using this near as much, but I'm still happy with the progress and continue to work on using it. I like the scent of this too. The Morphe Jeffree Star Setting Mist. This is such a nice scent. It's a strawberry scent, and this is almost gone. I have maybe one or two more uses out of this, and this will be out of project pan. And I believe this was about half full when I put it in originally, so my bad. The Milani Rose Face Oil. Here is the new mark for that. You use so little of this product that it takes forever. This was in last year, but I'm going to use this up. I'm determined. Face powder. CoverGirl Ready Set Gorgeous powder. Now look at this. Wow. Right? This is a really nice powder from CoverGirl. Wish they had done away with it. But I believe that it's their clean and fresh line, really. So they probably still have some formulation of that. I am just so pleased with the progress on this product. Contour. LA Colors I Love Makeup Contour Palette. We're focusing on the highlight, which has made a little bit of a dent in it, but not much. This shade here and this shade for a highlighting powder, setting powder for under eyes. The shade that we made major progress on is this one, and that's the one that I prefer to use as my contour. And you can see all the indent of the pan there, and the next ring is exposed in the pan as well. We're making super nice progress with this palette here. Okay, a blush from the Rimmel, the blush, highlighter, and contour palette, and I've previously used these up in project pans. Now for the blush, you can see this is the easiest way I know how to show you, like, because we haven't hit pan yet, but you can definitely see there's a huge dip going on there, and the line of the pan there's a big dent. So beautiful coral blush. The LA Colors Highlighting Trio and a Wild Child. And our main focus is this one. I do dip into these occasionally. They're really not, you know, I use this one today a little bit. But this one is my favorite one, and I wanted to make sure that I definitely used it all up before parting ways. And it's like this peachy shade with a red shift, and it's just gorgeous. And we've made significant progress on this product. And most of the pan is exposed now. You know, a few more uses out of this and it'll be done. Update on the mascaras is both of these are almost finished up, so I'm really happy about that. I have the 2 nail polishes that I put in the project pan, and Sally Hansen Big Matte Top Coat. There's the line we started with, and here's the line that we're at now. I really have not painted my nails matte very often, but I do want to use this up this year, so continue to work on it. The Revlon Quick Dry Base Coat. Not the biggest fan of this. Here's where we were when we started, and here is where we are now. So I am pretty happy with the progress on this particular base coat. I cannot wait till it is used up and out of my collection. So we are working towards it. A couple of these products are also being close to being used up. So I'm going to throw in 3 new products, and 2 of them are glitters. One is from e.l.f. This is from the Retro Paradise collection a few years ago. And this is Disco Ball glitter. It's available in the regular line. This is just special packaging for that. This is a silver holographic glitter. And I like this for inner corner, so I'm going to use this up because it's starting to dry up. From Profusion I have this glitter as well, and it's just a basic kind of gold silvery shade. It's stunning, and it's starting to dry up, so I'm going to finish these up, and I'm going to toss in another powder because I'm really close to using up the CoverGirl one, and this one, its pan started showing, and I thought I'm going to throw that in Project Pan. LA Colors Mineral Pressed Powder. I started trying this out because I thought that it was too dark for me. Maybe I can just use it in the summer. It had been sitting in my drawer for a while, and I started to use it. I like the formulation of the powder. I'm not crazy about the shimmer kind of glow it gives you, but at the same time we are moving into warmer weather, so I'm okay with it in that aspect. The pan started to show, and I just kept on using it, and here we are now. We're already here. So, very nice though. Overall, nice powder. So I'm going to throw this in as well. And that is all for my Project Pan update. Stay tuned for more Project Pan updates. Check the description box as well as the cards for additional Project Pan videos and information. Hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more videos like these, and thank you so very much for watching.